January, February, it's colder. Yeah.
So now is the
Now it's autumn. Yeah, end of autumn.
Yeah.
But this year, I think it's very warm
very warm.
because tomorrow, it's December,
Yeah.
right? So, yeah, I think this year it's very warm.
Yeah. Here it's very warm.
Yeah.
Yeah. My friend said that
Uh-huh.
I have to wear
Wear a jacket.
2 years,
Yeah.
2 years of clothes at least.
Uh-huh.
But I just wear one.
I know, yeah, I'm just wearing one, t-shirt. Yeah. So this is my coach. This one. Yeah, and my wife is working. 横にいるのがミハエルです。こういう感じ。修論ちゃうわ。博士論文。来週。水曜日。もうできてるのほとんど。
まあほとんどできてるけど、まあなんかそのめっちゃ細かいことが残ってて、それいつもすごい時間かかってて。
それごめん、何語で書いてる？英語。
ほら日本語で書けへん。
あ、そういうことやな。英語で、博士論文。俺チェックしたろか。冗談です。何も分からへんと思うけど、まあそんなミハエルですが、まあ出し終わったら、また一緒にサイゼリヤでヘベレケになるまでワイン飲もうかと今日約束しました。まあ頑張ってください。
頑張ります。
頑張ってね。はい、美味しそうなランチこれです。カフェ若草のランチじゃーんということで、じゃあ見ていきます。バイバイ。ありがとうね。はい、ありがとうね。バイバイ。Yeah, it's nice. Nice. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, very nice. One more. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, the lighting is very nice.
Thank you.
Perfect. Yeah. Perfect. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so let's stop at the table over there. Have lunch. That's Nara special, Nara local sushi.
Is the mackerel?
Mackerel, yeah. Three kind of fish: mackerel and salmon and red. So you are going to Kyoto tonight.
Tonight, yeah.
Tonight,
And then tomorrow have cycling in Kyoto.
yeah.
I love to talk with the local people. So I love to talk with the local people.
Local people, yeah.
Yeah, so we can know the place that tourists don't know.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. This place, no tourists. Feels so good. No car.
No car.
Very relaxing, quiet, calm. Come on, running! Wow! Kanpai.
Kanpai.
Kanpai. You can try. Yeah.
Very smooth.
Smooth, yeah, smooth, very smooth. So, and I send you the link
Yeah.
Oh,
of
sure.
my YouTube.
Sure.
So you can watch it. You can share that to your friends.
Yeah.
I will. I will do
Yeah,
the
yeah.
recommendation for
Oh,
you.
thank you,
too.
thank you.
That part and the downhill line from the shrine.
Shrine?
Amazing.
I mean, I know. No stop,
Yeah.
no stop, and,
And-
no bicycle, nothing.
And the
So-
view is amazing. I lost word.
That route is so nice. You know?
I want to back here again
Yeah.
someday.
Feels so good. Yeah.